And there's your 5 step. Okay, so it's just like a 6, but you're going to take a step away. You're going to step in, 1, leg straight, 2, you're going to step behind that leg. My foot is behind my knee. Then 3, I'm right here. And on 4, I'm going to do a foot swipe. I'm going to swing it in front, but I'm not going to hook. I'm just going to jump back and then step under 5. So you got to kind of make it look like a glide in the front using that foot swipe for your 4th step. Okay, so step in, 1, and then behind your leg, 2, swing it up, 3, and now right here I'm going to shift my weight and swing my leg like a foot swipe, 4, and just jump straight back, and then go under 5. All right, y'all make sure you practice. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Peace.